Press the bell icon and never miss any update from What's Up Bollywood.
Hello everyone, welcome to What's Up Bollywood. As we all know that Kangana Ranaut is known for her statements on everything that's happening around, either it is in Bollywood or in politics. Now she has made a comment on the age gap between Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal on her Instagram stories without taking their names. Well, what does she has to say? Let us tell you in detail. The wedding of Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif is the talk of the town right now. A number of celebs are headed to Jaipur to be part of the big fat celebrations. Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif are getting married at the Six Senses Resort, Fort Barwara, which is located in Savai Madhopur. Now, Kangana Ranaut has written a sweet, appreciative post for how Bollywood's leading ladies are breaking the stereotypes of age and sexism with their choice of life partners. The note read, "Growing up, we heard so many stories of successful, rich men marrying much younger women. For women to be more successful than their husband was seen as a major crisis. Forget marrying a younger man after a certain age, marriage was impossible for women. Nice to see rich, successful women, leading ladies of Indian film industry, breaking the sexiest norms. Kudos to men and women, both for redefining gender stereotypes." In fact, Kangana Ranaut has also said that she too has someone in her life. The actress said that she will reveal details about him shortly. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal first met on the sets of Anupma Chopra's show. Fans noticed the wonderful chemistry between the two. Within months, rumors of them dating started doing the rounds. The actor split from his girlfriend Harleen Sethi in 2019. The actress had been single for a long time after her separation from Ranbir Kapoor. None of the exes have been called for the wedding. We will keep you posted on the big fat wedding. Till then, let us know what do you think about Kangana Ranaut's comment on the age gap between Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal. Let us know in the comments below, and for more such updates, keep watching What's Up Bollywood.